AI is coming up, things are changing. What are the fundamental keys of success? Some of your students from IIMs or your PhD fellow, the Wharton, somebody is a great professor, including you. आप university set up कर रहे हो. Some students have become CEOs, CXOs. Sir, क्या वो skills होती हैं बच्चों में जो you think when you look back like this guy had this 1, 2, 3, and this is the success key का recipe.
It turned out that she is not able to complete any of her courses because she's overwhelmed by taking too many heavy duty courses. हम तो लड़ लेंगे ना, गिरना तो सभी गिरते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी का ग्रेड नीचे नहीं आया, किसी को ये जो नौकरी मिलनी थी नहीं हुई. But you choose another path, and then you may get to a better one than what you were thinking before. So I think ये तो थोड़ी सी हिम्मत की ज़रूरत है.
Alright, hi everyone, welcome on board. बहुत से लोग अचीव करना चाहते हैं IIT, उसके बाद IIM में यहाँ पढ़ना, यहाँ पढ़ाना, and then they want to go to Wharton, Harvard, Stanford of the world. There are few people who get to do this. There's one gentleman who's sitting out here who has done it all, who is currently the professor, VC, as well as the board of management at Ahmedabad University. Hi sir, welcome on board.
Welcome. Thank you very much for being here.
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure and really humbled to have you on board. I'm going to ask him some tough question, but tough question ke pehle, you first get humbled and listen to sir's profile. Sir is from IIT BHU, and after that he went to Wharton Business School for his PhD.
Right.
That was in the US.
That's
and
correct.
then he came back as a professor in IIM Ahmedabad.
I went to McGill.
McGill, Canada.
And so I worked in short while at the World Bank, and
Okay.
then went to McGill in Canada.
Wow.
I was an assistant professor, stayed there 6 years, became associate, and then returned to India.
Then returned to India and then worked in IIM Ahmedabad.
I worked at IIM Ahmedabad and then spent a year as associate dean at ISP, bringing the first batch in, and then went to IIM Bangalore as their director for 6 years before coming to Ahmedabad University as the VC.
I'm really proud and humbled that sir has spent some time with us. So he's the first associate dean of ISB as well, and I am Bangalore के director साहब आज channel के अंदर बैठे हैं. First of all, let me ask you one tough question, sir. AI is coming up, things are changing. What are the fundamental keys of success? Some of your students from IIMs or your PhD fellow, the Wharton, somebody is a great professor, including you. आप university set up कर रहे हो. Some students have become CEOs, CXOs. सर क्या वो स्किल्स होती हैं बच्चों में जो यू थिंक व्हेन यू लुक बैक लाइक दिस गाय हैड दिस 1, 2, 3 एंड दिस इज द सक्सेस की का रेसिपी.
I think there's no substitute to burning the midnight oil. आप जितना अपने ऊपर समय लगाएंगे, जितना सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे, it'll go into you. It won't, maybe the returns are not coming out immediately, but it stays in your mind. When you go talk to someone else, it subconsciously, आपने ये किताब पढ़ी, वो किताब पढ़ी, किताब से नहीं आप बात करेंगे, but its ideas will start to flow and the other person will know. The third thing on resilience, it's so much about patience. कि आज हमें कुछ चीज़ें हैं 3 घंटे में नहीं हो पा रही हैं, लगे रहो, let's keep going, let's try some other route, let's ask someone else, ये हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. As soon as you start doing that, you build a certain perspective in mind saying, गड़बड़ हुआ है तो कोई बात नहीं है, C ग्रेड आ गया, D ग्रेड आ गया, कोई बात नहीं, let me find out ये क्यों आया है. क्या हमने I have not studied enough, did I not understand enough, did I not even understand what the instructor was wanting to ask in this context of education. As soon as I do a little bit of my analysis, I'll know कि किससे मदद लेनी है और क्या नेक्स्ट स्टेप हमें इम्प्रूव करना है. रेजिलियंस इज अबाउट नॉट व्हेन यू फॉल डाउन, कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ, सो आप सर पकड़ के नहीं बैठते हो, आप खड़े हो जाते हो, कहते हो ठीक है, ऑल राइट, आई एम डाउन, आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड, आई एम अनहैप्पी, कैन आई गेट आउट, एंड यू गेट आउट विद द हेल्प ऑफ पीपल. व्हेन यू हैव फ्रेंड्स अराउंड यू, दे हेल्प यू गेट आउट. When your family around you, they help you get out. Say, कोई बात नहीं, हुआ है ना, चलो अब देखते हैं अगली बार क्या होता है. Those are examples of resilience that you build, and you see. I'll give you an example for young student of ours. She was wanting to do her undergrad and masters together. And she was starting in her 4th year, starting to take master's level courses, which you can do here. And in doing so, it turned out that she is not able to complete any of her courses because she's overwhelmed by taking too many heavy duty courses. Now what does she do? She puts her head under the sand like an ostrich and vanishes. Completely, she's vanished for 15 days, not to be seen. She's part of one of the groups that I have of students that I work with. I have a meeting, this one doesn't show up. So I said, "Wo kahan gayi?" She said, "Oh," I call her up. I said, "Come and see me. What has happened?" She says, "I'm not able to do this, I'm not able to do that. I'm definitely wanting to do the masters." So I said, "If you don't do your undergrad, you won't be able to do your masters." And we sat down with her and we said, "Forget the masters, finish these courses. You have a capstone project to finish this, and we'll make sure you get admitted into the masters here." So you need people around you who
to push.
actually lift you up, who put your arm underneath you. That's what you become resilient. You say, "Okay, हम तो लड़ लेंगे ना, गिरना तो सभी गिरते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी का ग्रेड नीचे नहीं आया, किसी को ये जो नौकरी मिलनी थी नहीं हुई." But you choose another path, and then you may get to a better one than what you were thinking before.
Got it.
So I think ये तो थोड़ी सी हिम्मत की ज़रूरत है.
चलो सर एक रैपिड फायर करते हैं फटाफट से.
I'm not very good at rapid fire, but nevertheless.
You just reply. I have not done this from a long time, so I'm going
Please,
to try that.
sure, of course.
So let's have fun, sir. Tough question, sir. ठीक है?
Sure.
मारना मत मुझे, ठीक है? So you've chalo, first an easy one. Rank all the institutions whom you've associated with for the sake of love you have. IITs, IMA, IMB, Wharton, McGill, ISB.
See, I can't rank them. I'll group them.
Okay.
I'll group them in terms of.
So group में मजा नहीं आएगा, sir. Come on. With the love of it.
I've loved all my institutions.
I will rank for you. Number 1 is IIT. ये तो आप रहने दो. IIT, BHU.
Yeah, simply because this was such a formative year of your life.
You were young and you were exploring.
You're young, and IIM Ahmedabad is another very high point for me.
Number 2.
Simply because it's a very, very grounded institution. It gives you where you are. As I said to you, my last 10 years at Ahmedabad University have been absolutely the happiest 10 years of my life. And I have gotten so much for it, and I'll rate it really
above. Okay, let's
really
call it
above
zero.
all.
Let's call it like 0 level.
Let's a 0 level and push it out.
And push it out, yeah.
Push
so
it
Ray
out.
loves it, huh? What he's doing at
Yeah.
Ahmedabad University. I keep pushing Ahmedabad University where he's like, "Nahi yaar, I'm having the most fun here because
Yeah.
he's setting up things." Sir,
Yeah.
ये तो बात है. Formative चीजें बनाने में अलग मजा
बहुत ही अलग मजा. And then I think the rest of the 3 institutions, McGill made me a teacher.
Oh, 4 is McGill, more than Wharton.
Well, Wharton gave me a very deep way of figuring out how to do research.
It was not fun?
PhD program is very intense. Very, very intense. I was not an MBA. These are the guys who have fun.
Yeah.
It really taught me to be a rigorous researcher.
Okay, and the last one being ISB.
And last one I think is ISB. I was there for a very short span of time. I'm Bangalore, and ISB actually taught me how to administer institutions.
Wow.
Both of them taught me immensely how to build institutions. So they are very different altogether. I was not teaching at these 2 places.
Any regrets in spending any time with any of these?
I have no regrets.
This is so amazing.
Completely no regrets. I think each one of them I've taken so much from each institution.
This is so amazing.
I have no regret in life.
One
no
last
regret.
question which I ask to all my guests. You're meeting your younger self, okay? Your own younger self. This is 1983 384.
83 is, let's go back even earlier, 78,
78 when you started
when I
your
started engineering, and I have
That
very
time you-
interesting stories.
Oh, is it? I'll come back
Okay,
to that.
yeah.
But I want to talk to, because 17 you're too young. You're just graduating out of your final year. वो Pankaj Chandra, young
Right,
fellow,
right.
lanky fellow, who's coming out with the bag, graduation हो चुकी है. Maybe he's a suitcase. हमारे तो trunk होते थे.
एक ट्रंक था, एक होल्ड ऑल.
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल स्टैंडर्ड. सो वो ट्रंक लेके बैठा है, बस की वेट कर रहा है या जो भी. इस कमिंग आउट ऑफ द कॉलेज, ग्रेजुएटिंग. उसको कोई एडवाइस देनी है इस पंकज चंद्रा ने, who is 60 सर, if I may ask.
66 I finished.
66. ये नियरली 40 साल पहले जा रहे हैं सर हम. क्या एडवाइस दोगे उसको यार? ये और करना पंकज, और ये मत करना. पहले तो ये और करने वाली बात है.
It's a very good question, I must say that. I have to compliment you for asking a question. The other way around would have been far more easy,
What's that?
which is the 66 Pankaj Chandra telling but this one is, I think, that much more interesting. I think we'll say take far more risks. I've taken a lot more risk. I've changed and left institutions and not completed programs, but I would have said change more risks. Second thing, I think when I'm leaving, I would have definitely said play more games, far more, engage with the society and world much more than what
Be
I've done.
social, talk more.
Yeah, and engage much more. Those are two things I would surely talk and think about, both about people.
Pleasure meeting you, boys and girls. Do it on the like button for sure. Be humbled to have you on
Not
board.
at all.
It was really,
Take care.
really amazing. Thank you so much, boys and girls. Hit on the like button. बहुत बड़े आदमी आए हैं हमारे podcast पे. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.